So that's the Momentum series from Alpaka, and this brand new collection is made with that Axodyne material, which is a really nice kind of almost X-packy kind of fabric. It's super lightweight. It is super water resistant. It looks very like tech focused. So these bags are definitely going to be for a certain type of traveler out there, someone who's definitely more into that techie look. But yeah, I wanna know what you think of these bags. So let me know in the comments below if you're feeling these, if you're not. But yeah, what you think of these bags. I will say the Axodyne material is really cool in that Alpaka created it. Just like their other materials for their bags, they usually use fabrics that they create in-house. So adding another fabric to their lineup is a super cool thing in my opinion. But yeah, this won't be for everyone, that's for sure. But if you do like the look of this, I wanna know. So like I said, leave a comment below and let's discuss this one a little bit more. There's also gonna be links in the description for the Kickstarter, which just launched today. And there's all sorts of different ways that you can buy these. So you can buy just the backpack, just the duffel bag, just the sling, packs of 3, packs of 2, all sorts of different ways to purchase these on Kickstarter, where you can get a deal right now before this officially launches and is out to the public. So with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.